Good morning, Your Excellency. I hope this video finds you well. Nimesema nirekodi hii video kwa sababu nimejaribu kutafuta sana for the last couple of weeks, sijafanikiwa kukupata. I've sent several people to you to talk to you, but sijakuwa nikipata majibu yoyote. Your Excellency, you know, you've been my father figure for the longest time that I've known you. We built an unmatched trust between us. And for the last 1.5 years, I served you. I served your good office. I served you with unmatched zeal. I broke the trust. I did. And I'm so sorry about it. I'm truly remorseful about it. And the last 1 month has been so difficult for me. I've been unable to even walk out because of the kind of publicity I received. Everything people said about me just threw me into some uncharted territory. A lot of things have been running in my mind, very bad things. Sometimes I feel like taking my own life. I lost everything in a blink of an eye. But more so the court process. Every time we go there, lawyers are on my neck, police are on my neck, everybody's extorting me left, right, center. They think I have a lot of money. But every time we go there, we are told the prosecution has not received any direction on what should happen to the case. And lawyers would want it to continue that way, because every session they take money from us. Police take money from us. It's end month. Bills are piling up. Salary stopped abruptly. I have loans. Please find it in your heart first to forgive me. But secondly, please help end this, so that I can pick up the small pieces that are just left and see where I can begin. With the kind of bad publicity that I got, it is almost impossible to get another place to work. Please have mercy on me. Thank you, sir. Thank you.